Good morning. Our memory verse for today is found in John 3:3. Okay, I'll teach you first yung mga actions words na dito sa John 3:3. Okay, yung tell here under your chin, and then truth from their mouth, and then like that. Tell, truth, unless, so it's like this. Unless you are, yung born is born. Okay? And then again, so born again.
Ang ganda naman, teacher.
Oo nga. Born again. You
Oo.
cannot, parang cannot, ganun. Cannot, okay, C, alam na natin. C, nasa eyes. Yung kingdom, letter K, nagay nyo sa shoulder and then dito sa baba, parang sash. Kingdom, tapos, ganun siya. Ang cute ng kingdom. Kingdom,
Wow.
okay, so side and then 1, 2, down. Kingdom. 1, 2, down. Kingdom of God. Okay, let's do
Oh,
it all
wow. That
together.
was nice.
Ang cute ng mga signs niya.
Oo nga.
John 3:3, Jesus lied. I tell you the truth, unless
Unless
you
you
are born
go
again,
again,
you cannot
you cannot.
see the kingdom of God. Okay, John 3:3.
Hello.
Okay.